What's up? How's it going? It's that time again. We're going to be doing Halloween drawings. Today we're going to go over how to draw a scary grin. I did a few different versions of this, scary smile, scary, but it is kind of, there's many ways to do it, so this is just another way of doing that. So let's go into it. I'm going to be using this. It's just a magic marker, Crayola. Very simple. You can use any kind of marker, a Sharpie, anything you want. If you use a Sharpie, I really recommend you open a window because a Sharpie, if you inhale the fumes from Sharpie, it can hurt your brain over time, supposedly. So let's go into it. I'm going to start with the left eye. I'm going to actually start from the left to the right because I am right-handed, so I don't have to, like, you know, block my own drawing as I'm drawing it this way. So I'm going to try drawing it from the left to the right. Pulling down a furrowed brow. That's going to be basically the kind of the brow line pulling downward. Pulling in, up. There's kind of a muscle here that you can tell flexes as an angry brow kind of happens. I'm gonna start the other side as well. Angry grin. Scary grin. So basically copying that shape, more or less. Now I'm going to go into the eye itself. So right now I'm pulling another line right there. That's going to be the top of the eyelid. And then you have that eye right there. Same thing on this side. Pulling the eyelid. Bottom of the eye. I'm going to change the shape of the eye to kind of match each other a little bit more. Eyelid right here is a little too thick at the top. I'm gonna kind of even it out by doing that on both sides. I'm gonna draw that slit pupil that exists in snakes. Those don't really exist in larger animals because slit pupils are entirely an evolutionary byproduct of kind of looking up and down kind of thing. So it's almost always on shorter animals. They only put it on, you know, monsters, and even they put it on dinosaurs in Jurassic Park, I think, right? Just to make them look scarier. But in reality, short animals have that generally. Almost always, actually, I think short cats have it. Big cats do not have it. Right? I think that's how it works. Anyways, actually, I don't know if short cats have it. Anyways, let's keep going. We're gonna throw right here. It's kind of where the nose line begins, but there's gonna be no nose. I'm just drawing a line here on both sides to kind of give it a bit of a, I don't know, like a tired look. I want that scary, tired look. Tired is just like a scary thing, I guess, sometimes. And I'm gonna put this huge, wide smile, like grin, from side to side. It's essentially like in a kind of like a lax U, right? U shape. Pulling down. It's gonna be a grin. Pulling down here. It's gonna be like an up, and I'm gonna cover that there. It's gonna be like an upside down moon shape. I'm gonna draw sharp teeth. Essentially cutting that in half. Also, don't forget, please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be posting a lot until Halloween. After that, I will be posting a little bit, but I'm really going to be posting the bulk of material before Halloween. Also, check out the past videos, because there's tons and tons of past videos showing all kinds of things, how to draw. I'm also going to release an ebook very soon on how to draw Halloween subjects, you know, very in-depth ebook. I just gotta get myself to do that and make it. But that's kind of like I'll announce it now so that people hold me to it. So you have that grin, that scary, spooky grin. And that's almost it, actually, but I'm gonna draw the lower kind of lip here as it pushes out. Draw a couple lines on the left and the right. kind of have that scariness to it. And I'm actually going to draw a few more furrows here at the center of the eyes. So that kind of comes out. And that is, I believe, it. If you really want, you can throw the gum line here at the top. So you can have those teeth entrenched in gums. The bottom as well. Throw in some imperfections here. Teeth don't totally line up usually. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate the watch. Hit that like button if you did enjoy this. Also, like I said, I'm going to be putting stuff up for you guys. Check out the links in the description. It's going to be a lot of kind of value, a lot of stuff in there. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in another video.